Growing crystals of copper sulphate. Requirements: 1 beaker, 1 glass rod, 1 plate, thread, 1 pencil, distilled water. Method: take 50 ml of hot water in a beaker. Add some copper sulphate powder in it. Stir until no more copper sulphate will dissolve. Pour a little of the solution into a saucer and allow it to cool. After several hours, you will observe some small crystals in the saucer. Collect one good crystal and tie a fine thread around it. Suspend this crystal in the copper sulphate solution in a beaker. Leave the crystal undisturbed for several days. As the water evaporates from the solution, the crystal becomes larger in size. Remove it and dry it with a blotting paper. Remove the thread. The crystal is ready.